How to impress customers with your delivery, tips and tricks. There's nothing quite like the feeling of anticipation that comes with waiting for your delivery to arrive. Whether it's a package from Amazon or a pizza from your favorite local pizzeria, you can't wait to get your hands on it. As an Instacart shopper, it is important to make sure that your customers have a positive experience when they receive their delivery from you. In today's video, I will discuss some tips and tricks that will help you do just that. It's the delivery hour. You're almost done, and here you have to act as an Oscar winner. Take it easy. You'll understand what I mean during this video. How to make a great impression on them. The first and most important thing is to be on time. Nothing is more frustrating than waiting for your delivery, and it doesn't show up. Plan ahead, leave yourself enough time to get to the customer's house. And if something unexpected comes up, let them know as soon as possible. When you meet the customer, take a deep breath and give them a big smile. Be excited to see them and let them know that you are happy to be there. Even if you had a long day or you're feeling tired, put on your best attitude and make sure the customer feels special. Be personable and chat with them while you're unloading the groceries. Let them know what you're doing and ask them about their day, and remember, the more communication you have, the more connected they will feel to you. If there was any damaged product, be sure to let the customer know immediately. Something bad happened, then don't try to hide it or make excuses. Please take responsibility for the error and make it right. Say sorry, and notify him you're calling to support to solve it, and let him know you'll refund it. Before completing delivery in the app, go to the previous screen, select the item damaged and refund, choose reason other and write what happened. Yes, you can do it. Instacart doesn't teach you about it. The customer doesn't have to pay for damaged items after all. I recommend a call to the support team and report the situation after the procedure is done in the Instacart app. Getting back, thank the customer for their order, and be sure to have a friendly conversation with them and ask if there's anything else you can do for them. I always thank for their business. Don't forget to say goodbye before you leave. Keep in mind, if you leave them with a positive impression of your delivery experience, they'll be more grateful, and maybe raise your tip or leave a good review. Now let's talk about asking to leave a good review. I totally get that it's a controversial matter, but in my opinion, when you're looking to ask to leave a star rating, it can be off-putting. My recommendation is not to do that. I did that initially, and I think it was more harmful than good. The customer isn't obliged to give 5 stars, and if he doesn't feel that the service deserves it, he'll definitely leave a bad review, so don't ask. If you follow my steps, the customer will be satisfied. Just do your best, be personable, on time, and helpful during the delivery, and you'll get good reviews by itself. And remember, none star is better than 4 stars or fewer. Let me tell you, the vast majority of people don't know how harmful 4 stars are. People who are giving 4 stars think that it's good, and they aren't thinking of hurting you. Instead, who gave you 3 or fewer stars, so please, don't ask stars review at the end. Even when the customer doesn't meet you to receive their groceries, you can impress him. Let's go to the secret. Many houses have doorbells with cameras, and you can take advantage of it. That technology can record you in action, and so, the customer can see how you're doing your job. Do you remember when I said to you, act like an Oscar winner? Lights, camera, and action. Take care of bags, put bottles vertically, organize their groceries. We never know when voyeurs customers will be watching us. And not forget to ring the doorbell or knock when you're done. All these small things will make a big difference, and your customers will be happy with your service. Let me tell you a new trick. You're almost done with your shift, but you still have one more delivery to go. It's a double order that's customer B is further away from your house in relation to customer A. What do? The app doesn't let me select customer B delivery to do first. I leave the first delivery closer from my home to the end. Notice you can't handle it directly in the app. You have to manually get the customer B direction, set it through your GPS, and go to deliver. It is essential to take photos to proof you delivered. Send one photo to customer B chat and proceed to final delivery, customer A. Follow app steps and at the end, call Instacart support and ask them to finish customer B order delivery. Share photos you have, and they will do it for you. Now, one piece of advice, be careful with scammers. Better safe than sorry. You've just arrived, stoplights are on, you'll leave bags at the front door, garage, or side door, and now it's a moment to take pictures for your own. Some customers report missing, damaged, and wrong items to get advantages from Instacart. I highly recommend keeping photos of bags delivered on your cell phone. Choose expensive products and take good pictures. Don't forget to take a picture with all bags. Honorable mention for these. It is a logical situation, but please, don't block the customer's door. I did some orders with instructions to not block the entrance, and if the customer wrote that, it was cause someone did. The second is about not ringing the doorbell. Pay attention to customers' app instructions. Some customers are strict with that, so if they ask, don't ring the bell. Delivery is an important part of the Instacart Shopper experience, and it's crucial that you make a good impression on your customers. By following these tips, you can ensure that they have a positive experience and will be more likely to leave a good review or raise your tip. Thank you for watching. My aim is to create the best content possible, so I appreciate feedback, and I'll use it as a way to improve future videos. Please consider hitting that like button, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this one.